Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about affiliate programs, the ones that you can sign up for. So we're going to be talking about Rolex affiliate programs. So there's a few different websites that offer these services, but today we're going to be talking about the website called luxhouse.com. So all you have to do is type in your browser Luxhouse and you will enter this website. Now this website deals with selling luxury watches, like Rolex or other types of watches, but they also offer a affiliate program. So all you have to do is scroll down here all the way to the bottom, and here you have the affiliate program link that you can click on. And once we open the link, it will send us to this page here. Now this page gives us 6 reasons that you can join the Lux Club affiliate program. So these are the benefits that you get from joining the program. So you have VIP pricing, commission, rewarding your audience, and etc. And how you can enter the program is you just click here, you click on become an affiliate, and that will open a prompt here where you can enter your details, and then the website or the company will make sure that you are fit for them, and once they are sure, they will let you know and you will become a part of this affiliate program. So thank you for listening, and I hope this is helpful.